Most robotic lawnmowers claim they can handle rough terrain, but get stuck the moment your lawn isn't perfectly flat. Slopes, bumps and uneven ground expose weak traction and poor navigation fast. So we tested multiple all-terrain robotic mowers to find the ones that actually handle hills, obstacles and tough conditions without constantly getting stuck.
So, without any delay, let's get started.
Starting at number 5 is the Segway Navimo i206, a great entry-level option for anyone looking to step into the world of all-terrain robotic mowing without spending a fortune. This all-terrain robotic lawnmower stands out because it uses wire-free RTK navigation combined with vision sensors, meaning you don't need to install boundary wires around your yard. That alone makes setup much easier compared to traditional robotic mowers. It's also capable of handling moderate slopes and uneven terrain, making it far more capable than basic robotic mowers designed only for flat lawns. The built-in smart mapping system allows it to plan efficient mowing paths, reducing missed spots. Another big advantage is its compact and lightweight design, which makes it ideal for smaller yards with challenging layouts. It also includes AI-based obstacle detection, helping it avoid objects like garden furniture, trees or pets. However, while it performs well on uneven ground, it is still designed primarily for small to medium-sized lawns, so it may not be the best choice for large properties. Still, if you want a beginner-friendly all-terrain robotic lawnmower with smart features and easy setup, the Segway Navamo i206 is a solid choice and earns the number 5 spot. Coming in at number 4 is the Yuka Mini 700H, a compact yet capable all-terrain robotic lawnmower built for smaller yards that still have uneven surfaces and obstacles. This mower is designed with smart navigation technology, allowing it to map your lawn and mow efficiently without random movement patterns. That means cleaner cuts and better coverage. One of its key strengths is its ability to handle moderate slopes and irregular terrain, making it ideal for homeowners who don't have perfectly flat lawns. It also features automatic path planning, which improves efficiency and reduces mowing time compared to older robotic systems. Another advantage is its lightweight and space-saving design, making it easy to store and maintain. Despite its compact size, it still delivers consistent cutting performance, ensuring your lawn stays neat and even. However, it doesn't offer the same level of power or traction as larger, heavy-duty all-terrain robotic lawnmowers, so it may struggle with very steep slopes or rough ground. Overall, if you're looking for a compact all-terrain robotic lawnmower for small to medium uneven yards, the Yuka Mini 700H is a reliable option that earns the number 4 position. Taking the number 3 spot is the Lidax Ultra 2000, a well-balanced all-terrain robotic lawnmower that combines smart features with solid cutting performance. This mower is built for medium to large lawns, and it offers a noticeable upgrade in both power and navigation compared to entry-level models. One of its standout features is its advanced mapping system, which allows it to navigate efficiently while avoiding obstacles. This ensures consistent coverage without missing sections of your lawn. It also performs well on uneven terrain and moderate slopes, making it a strong choice for real-world yard conditions. Another key advantage is its anti-theft system, which adds an extra layer of security, something many robotic mowers in this range don't include. The cutting system is designed to deliver clean, even results, making it suitable for homeowners who want both performance and appearance. Compared to smaller models, this all-terrain robotic lawnmower offers better coverage and improved efficiency, making it a great mid-range option. However, it may not match the extreme slope handling of AWD models. Still, if you want a balanced all-terrain robotic lawnmower with smart features and reliable performance, the Lidax Ultra 2000 earns the number 3 spot. And number 2 is the LUBA 3AWD 3000, a powerhouse designed specifically for extreme terrain and challenging landscapes. This all-terrain robotic lawnmower stands out because of its true all-wheel drive system, which gives it superior traction compared to standard robotic mowers. It can handle steep slopes, rough ground, and even wet grass without slipping. That makes it one of the best options for homeowners with hills or uneven terrain. It also features advanced GPS and mapping technology, allowing it to manage multiple zones and navigate large properties efficiently. Another major advantage is its high cutting capacity, making it suitable for large lawns where weaker mowers would struggle. The build quality is extremely durable, designed to handle tough outdoor conditions over long periods. Compared to most robotic mowers, this model delivers significantly better terrain performance, making it ideal for demanding environments. However, due to its advanced features, it may require a bit more setup compared to simpler models. If you need a high-performance all-terrain robotic lawnmower for hills and rough terrain, the LUBA 3AWD 3000 is one of the best choices available and earns the number 2 spot. Taking the number 1 spot is the ECOVACS Goate 2000 LiDAR Pro, one of the most advanced and intelligent all-terrain robotic lawnmowers available today. What sets this mower apart is its dual LiDAR navigation system, which allows it to map and navigate your yard with extreme precision, even in areas where GPS signals are weak, such as under trees or near buildings. This gives it a major advantage over traditional robotic mowers. It also features AI-powered obstacle detection, allowing it to avoid objects smoothly and maintain efficient mowing paths. The cutting system is highly precise, delivering clean and consistent results across complex landscapes. Another standout feature is its ability to handle large and complicated lawn layouts, making it perfect for users who want a fully automated mowing experience. Compared to every other model on this list, this all-terrain robotic lawnmower offers the best combination of smart technology, navigation accuracy, and overall performance. While it comes at a higher price point, the level of automation and reliability makes it worth the investment. If you want the best all-terrain robotic lawnmower for smart features, precision, and hands-free performance, the ECOVACS Goate 2000 LiDAR Pro easily takes the number 1 spot.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!